What's good? What's great, you guys? It's your girl J Queen, and today I am back to you with another video. I hope you guys have been well. I'm gonna drop this recipe here, try it out, and tell me how this thing goes. Holla at your girl. Came so far, nothing like the ordinary, nothing like. Yes, y'all, yes, we about to hook it up with these loaded seafood fries. These things are so bomb, so I'm about to give you the tea so you can try them yourself. Stay tuned. And as usual, I got y'all. Check for the ingredients in the description below. They sell fresh cut fries at my local store, but you can cut them up yourself, or these are fine even with the bag ones, y'all. Then we're going to just toss them in a little bit of olive oil for a good coating. And yes, you have to season your fries, y'all. They are potatoes. So you're going to see me start with just a little bit of salt. I use pink Himalayan. You can use whatever you want. The next seasoning we're going to come up with is a little bit of black pepper, y'all. So get you some fresh coarse black pepper or whatever you actually want. Sprinkle a little bit of that as well. Okay, let's keep these seasonings going. The next one you're going to see me use is a little bit of garlic salt. I usually prefer to use powder, but I didn't have any on hand. Either one would do, but if you use salt, use less of it than you would use of powder. And the next one you're going to see me pull out is that old oregano. Yes, you're going to use you a little generous amount of oregano, you guys. And I'm going to toss so it mixes well and the seasons are not in just one spot. And after I do that, I'm going to put me a little bit of Creole seasoning. I'm going to put the link to this one below, but you can use you some Tonys or some Zatarain's. Go ahead and pop these in the oven on 400 and let's get to the seafood. So you see me with this crawfish, and my first thing I want to use is a little bit of crab boil. The easiest way to do this is to pour it by the capfuls. Monitor this based on the amount of spice that you like, guys. And we're going to use the same seasoning and sprinkle a little bit of that over this as well. So while I've been handling this crawfish, my fries have been in the oven, you guys, and they are at least 75% done. So the next step is to go ahead and put this layer of crawfish so I can get them cooked as well. We're going to toss those back in the oven, and we're going to go ahead and season with the Creole seasoning our shrimp. These do not take as long, so that's why they don't go in at the same time as the crawfish, you guys. Now for the toppings, you can put whatever on your fries you want to. I'm putting a little bit of garlic for flavor. I'm going to put me some mushrooms, and I'm going to put a lot of jalapeños because I like my stuff spicy. But you can do whatever you want to try. So after we do that, we're going to next put on our crab meat. That is some good lump crab meat, you guys. Make sure you use that kind and do not use the artificial brand. So after we go ahead and put our lump crab meat, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle those toppings on top as well. And I'm going to even get the juices out the bottom of that because once again, I like my stuff with a little kick to it. Once again, pop that back in for another 5 to 7 so I can show you how to make this topping of cheese. So you're going to use your little bit of whipped cream, bring it to some heat, and you're going to put your generous amount of cheese. You can put less if you're not a cheesy person, or you can put more. You can try different variations of cheese. Pepper jack is also a good one, and I've tried it with that, and that's good as well. So you're going to mix this like it's a little bit of a roux. You're not going to actually make sure the heat is very high. You're going to stir it very slowly. I've sped up the video, but this did take a little bit of time. After you do that, you already know it's going down. You put the shrimp on because the shrimp is the one that takes the least amount of time. And you're going to put the queso on because it's also going to heat up and cook that shrimp as well. So pour you a generous amount over everything, you guys. So you're going to go ahead and pop this back in the oven. And you're doing so to cook your shrimp and just to get that little cheese bubbling a little bit because it's already a little bit warm. And pull it out when it's done. Sprinkle you a little bit of parsley, and y'all, it is time to grub.